In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Delta Force not working properly on your PS5. So this is what I did. Firstly, I went into settings here on my PS5, and then I clicked on users and accounts right here. And then scroll down, click on other, and click on restore licenses in here. Select Delta Force and click on restore in the bottom right corner. I'm just going to close this game as well. And then now we need to wait a couple of seconds for it to completely restore here, as you can see. And then when it's done here, you need to go back to settings here once again. Another thing that's good to also do is to click on network right here and click on settings and click on set up internet connection. And then in here on your Wi-Fi here, you need to click on this button right here on your controller, click on advanced settings here, and then change your DNS settings from automatic to manual. Set it to 1.1.1.1. and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1 here, and then click on OK in the bottom right corner. Just wait for it to connect here. As you can see, it's going to take you a couple of seconds to be able to connect. Another thing that's very good also is to click on network here once again and click on settings, click on set up internet connection, and once again click on that button there that I showed you before. And this frequency band. So if it doesn't work with the 5 gigahertz as an example, if you have that one, you can set it to 2.4 or vice versa here, as you can see. So try this and hopefully it will be able to fix it for you as well.